Hi, my name is Katie Karras, and I work at FDOT District 4 as a Treasure Coast Operations Construction Engineer, and currently I am serving as the project manager for the Roosevelt Bridge repair. On June 16, 2020, during a routine inspection period, and based on feedback from local partners, FDOT inspectors found a crack on the southernmost span of southbound Roosevelt Bridge in Martin County. Roosevelt Bridge consists of two separated segmental bridges, each with 3 lanes over the St. Lucie River. The mile-long bridge is 23 years old and is a significant artery for traffic in the Stuart area. FDOT responded to the incident by closing the southbound and northbound bridges and Dixie Highway underneath the bridge, and immediately assembled a statewide team of bridge experts to assess the situation and perform a structural review. The team worked around the clock, drilling and chipping away at concrete to identify corrosion, using ground-penetrating radar to check for damage inside the bridge, performing visual and sounding inspections, and sending samples from the bridge to the FDOT laboratory in Gainesville for review. While Roosevelt Bridge and Dixie Highway were closed, FDOT's traffic operations team improved congestion caused by the detour routes in coordination with the City of Stuart and Martin County. They monitored traffic along the detour routes, adjusted signal timing, and installed new traffic cameras. The Roosevelt Bridge team found that the first span of the southbound bridge had severe corrosion, causing the steel tendons that support the bridge to be severely deteriorated. Corrosion on the northbound bridge was less extensive, and car traffic could be restored on the northbound bridge after some minor work was completed. FDOT began working on plans to support the span and to reconfigure northbound Roosevelt Bridge to accommodate 4 lanes of two-way traffic. On June 27th, only 11 days after cracks were discovered, northbound Roosevelt Bridge reopened with a 5-ton weight restriction. A week later, on July 3rd, Dixie Highway opened to all traffic just in time for Independence Day. So where are we today? The design plans for the emergency repair of Roosevelt Bridge have been completed and construction began on August 14th, with the goal of restoring 6 lanes of traffic on the bridge by the end of the year and returning Dixie Highway and US 1 to their original configurations. To successfully meet this goal, the key players, FDOT staff, consultants, and contractors, will be solely focused on the constant coordination required and field efforts necessary to complete repairs and reconfiguration expeditiously, while other critical experts from around the state will continue analyzing samples to determine the cause of corrosion. For more information, visit fdot.gov/Roosevelt and follow FDOT District 4 on social media for real-time updates. Countless individuals have been instrumental in ensuring the Roosevelt story is a successful one. Thank you to all of the FDOT staff who have stepped up to help. Thank you also to all of our supporting consultants and contractors, as well as our local partners, with a special thanks to the City of Stuart, Martin County, the Stuart Police Department, and the Florida Highway Patrol.